Limit who can see your friend list. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to limit who can see your friends list. It's so easy and quick, so let's start. First thing, go to your Facebook app. Click on those three lines up there. Click on the setting icon beside the search icon. Scroll down, click on how people find and contact you. In the second option, you're gonna find who can see your friends list. And here you can choose who can see your friends list. Public, friends, or friends except, and you choose except who on your friends, and there is a more. Click on see more to see more options. So this is it guys, hope this video was helpful to you. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.